To do well in digital marketing in 2025, businesses must keep up with new ideas. The way customers find and choose products is always changing. It is very important to understand these changes. This helps your business to connect with people in the right way. If you know what customers want, you can give them better experiences. This means more people might look at your products and more people might decide to buy from you. Staying ahead helps your business grow stronger and reach its goals in the busy online world. It's about being ready for what's next and using new tools effectively to help your customers. Using many different online places for your adverts is a very smart idea. Think about Facebook and Instagram. These are great for showing pretty pictures and telling stories with visuals. Then there is X, which used to be Twitter. This is good for quick chats and updates. For businesses talking to other businesses, LinkedIn is the best place. Younger people often use TikTok, so that is a good place to reach them. Google helps people find you when they search for things, and YouTube is amazing for showing videos. Using all these places means more people can see your adverts. This way you don't miss out on potential customers, no matter where they spend their time online. Videos are super important for your adverts. People really like watching them. You should think about making short videos. These are great for places like TikTok and Instagram Reels, but longer videos are good too, especially for YouTube. For example, YouTube Shorts can now be up to 3 minutes long. This gives you a bit more time to share your message. TikTok now lets people make videos up to 10 minutes long, so you have choices for how long your videos are. The main thing is that using videos helps people notice your business. They are much more engaging than just text or static pictures when trying to capture attention quickly. AI, which means artificial intelligence, can really help with your adverts. Tools like Meta Ads Manager and TikTok Ads use AI. This AI helps you show your adverts to the right people. It looks at what people are interested in. It also looks at what they do online and who they are, like their age. This makes your adverts much more effective because they reach people who are more likely to be interested. Also, new places to advertise are showing up, like connected TV, CTV, and retail media networks. More money is being spent on these new channels. For instance, Meta, which owns Facebook and Instagram, got a lot of the money spent on adverts in 2024. This shows how important these big platforms are. Making good landing pages is key to getting people to do what you want, like buy something or sign up. A landing page is the first page someone sees after clicking your advert. In 2025, simple designs are very popular for these pages. They should also work perfectly on mobile phones because so many people use them to look online. It is also super important that these pages load very, very quickly. If a page is slow, people will just leave. Think about looks too. Some businesses use just one main color for a smart, clean look. Others might use fun collage art if they are in a creative area. The goal is to make the page inviting and easy to use. To make your landing pages even better, try using hero videos. A hero video is a main video at the top of the page. It can make people much more interested, maybe even 50% more. Rolex, the watch company, uses this idea on their site. AI can also help here. It can change what people see on the landing page based on who they are. This makes the page more personal and can lead to more people taking action. And always have a very clear button that tells people what to do next, like buy now or learn more. And remember, almost half of all users expect a page to load in just 2 seconds or less. So speed is truly essential for success. Your main website needs to be full of good information and be interesting too. It's like your online shop or office. People need to find everything they want to know about your products easily. This means clear descriptions of what you sell, what features it has, and how it helps the customer. You should also show what other customers think. These are called testimonials or reviews, and they help new people trust you. Having all this information clearly available makes it easier for visitors to understand your offerings. It also helps them feel more confident about choosing your business over others. This trust is very important for turning visitors into loyal customers. To keep people interested on your website, you can use cool things like interactive animations. These are little movements or effects that respond when people scroll or click. Another idea is scrollytelling. This is where a story unfolds as someone scrolls down the page. Wix Studio, for example, uses this to show off products in a really engaging way. It's also good to know that people often prefer watching a video about a product rather than reading a long text, so include videos where you can. And just like landing pages, your main website absolutely must work well on mobile phones and load very quickly. This makes sure everyone can use it easily and doesn't get frustrated. Having an online shop that is easy to use is very important. If it's hard to buy things, people will give up. One big problem is when people put things in their online shopping basket, but then don't buy them. This happens about 70% of the time. Often, it's because the checkout part is too complicated, or maybe there are extra costs like shipping that they didn't expect. A good idea is to have a one-click checkout. Amazon made this popular. It means people can buy something with just one click, which is much faster and simpler. Making the buying process smooth helps you sell more and keeps customers happy. Another big trend is selling things directly through social media. This is called social commerce. Platforms like TikTok Shop let people buy products without even leaving the app. This is very convenient for users. TikTok thought it would make $20 billion from people shopping on its platform in 2023. This shows how powerful social commerce is becoming. To keep customers coming back, you can also use subscription models. This is where people pay a regular fee to get your products or services. Loyalty programs are also great. They reward customers for shopping with you regularly. The whole idea of businesses selling subscriptions is growing fast and is expected to be worth a huge amount of money by 2025. Customer reviews are incredibly powerful for building trust and helping you sell more. Think about it. About 70% of people look at reviews before they decide to buy something. That's a lot of people. And if a product has just 5 reviews, it is 270% more likely to be bought compared to a product with no reviews. This shows how much shoppers rely on the opinions of others. So it's really important to get your customers to leave reviews. You can ask them nicely after they've bought something, maybe send them an email or even offer a small incentive like a discount on their next purchase for sharing their thoughts. Once you have these valuable reviews, make sure people can see them. Show them clearly on your product pages where people are making their buying decisions. Don't hide them away. You can also use these reviews in your advertising. For example, you can put good review quotes in your Google ads or in your email marketing campaigns. This can make more people click on your adverts. It's a fact that nearly half of all consumers trust online reviews just as much as they trust a recommendation from a friend. This highlights how vital positive customer feedback is for attracting new business and reinforcing the quality of your offerings. Understanding how customers find you and what they do on your site is key. This is called tracking the customer journey. There are tools like DoWell automated customer journey tracking that can help with this. These tools can show you every step a customer takes, from when they first hear about you to after they buy something. This information is like a map. It shows you what is working well and where people might be having problems. By seeing the whole journey, you can find ways to make it better for everyone. This helps to ensure that potential customers have a smooth path to becoming actual customers. A big trend for 2025 is using AI for something called hyper-personalization. This means making things super personal for each customer. AI can look at what a person has browsed on your website before. It can see what they have clicked on and what they seem interested in. Then it can show them content, products, or offers that are just right for them. This makes the customer feel understood and valued. Companies that are really good at this kind of personalization can see their income go up by as much as 40%. Many big brands with large advertising budgets, around 71% of them, see AI for personalization as a very important part of their strategy. It's also vital to find out where customers might be leaving your website or stopping their journey. These are called drop-off points. For example, we know that many people leave their shopping carts without buying. Finding out why they leave is the first step to fixing the problem. Analytics tools can help you spot these issues. Maybe your checkout process is too long, or perhaps shipping costs are surprisingly high. If people are leaving when they get to the payment stage, you could think about offering more ways to pay or making the security features more obvious so they feel safer. Addressing these specific problems can greatly improve your conversion rates. Finally, always keep checking how well your different marketing efforts are working. Tools like Google Analytics can help you see which channels, like Instagram ads or Google search ads, are bringing in the most sales or leads. This is called attribution. Knowing this helps you spend your advertising budget wisely, putting more money into the things that work best. It's surprising, but not all marketers measure their spending properly across all their different channels. Sometimes this is because their data is all in different places or they don't have the right tools. Using tools like Google Tag Manager can make it easier to manage all your tracking codes without needing to change website code directly. Continuous analysis ensures your business can adapt and succeed in the long term.